Hi everyone, George Farmer here, content creator for Tropica aquarium plants, and welcome to this very special event, our first, our premiere, our debut Tropica Live. So exciting to be here. And what I like to do is really spoil the plants, give them loads of nutrients. They're just going to really love it, grow really healthily, and actually help prevent algae. So I'm not sure why you don't want to use liquid fertilizer, but I would always recommend it. I think I'll close it there, guys. Thank you so much for joining me and the team. From all of us, we really appreciate you watching. We really hope you've learned something, been inspired. Thank you so much for engaging in the live chat. It's really appreciated. I'm really grateful for this opportunity, and I hope you all have a great time and take care of yourselves. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheerio.